just feel like a kid in a playground today. Oh shit! Good morning on this cool morning. Found a little spot about 20 k's out of Calama last night with the last bit of sunlight. Set up the tent and it was basically dark. We're gonna go back to San Pedro de Atacama, make Alp off-road proof and see what we do out there. Cause during my short impression there, it is definitely a tourist trap. Always get a bit itchy when it's busy like that, but there's some nice spots around the place to check out, so we'll see how we'll do that. Another happy campers. San Pedro de Atacama, that way.
Aqui o Rafael do Brasil me encontrou outra vez tomando desayuno, não, desayuno espanhol. Que almoço?
Café da manhã.
Café da manhã aqui no San Pedro de Atacama.
Vamos passear, que aqui tem muito lugar bacana para conhecer.
Tchau, Rafael, boa viagem.
Muito bom. Vamos passear.
There's a lot of motorcyclists passing through San Pedro de Atacama in this region, Brazil, Argentinians, and heaps of other places. I just had brekkie here and a coffee, first coffee in 2.5 days. Buenas tardes. Entonces, Johnny, ¿qué vamos a hacer hoy?
Sacar la llanta.
Vámonos. No, está algo malo. ¿Cómo se llama la pieza dentro? ¿Cómo se llama?
Diablillo. Diablillo.
Diablillo.
Conecte.
The valve stem is stuck. I noticed that yesterday. I want to retape the inner rim because a lot of that tape that was already on there has come loose, doesn't really protect it, and the spokes are showing. I went out and hunted big ass expensive roll of duct tape. That's all we got in town. You walk fast to the bike because it's sort of unattended. Full stuff on there. I don't like that, but sometimes you just gotta go for it. If you were still in doubt that San Pedro de Atacama is a tourist place, those are bloody wicked campers. Last time I seen those, it's Australia and New Zealand, and here they are in bloody Chile. Couldn't believe it when I saw that. Ah, gracias. Muchas. I know that tape like this isn't ideal because it's slippery, but better than nothing. Should have gotten it yesterday when I was at the shop. Well, just for good measure, I took a slitter off so the tire will make a little bit more contact with the rim. Okay, this sits there. ¿Ustedes tienen la más experiencia con este todo? ¿Cuántos años está aquí en San Pedro? 20 años.
20. Recorrí muchos países.
¿Sí?
De todos lados, Brasil, Chile, Bolivia, extranjero.
I'm glad that with this sir here that we got to tackle it. So I had a good look at how to do it. Yeah, perfecto. And just like that, new inner tube and the rim lock. All right, let's go. Ready to rip. It is. I think I just got beat in one of the most epic ways ever. There's a tournament of people and all of a sudden you have beer. This one's gonna be nice when we camp out. Keep it right here. You know what? That was pretty awesome. That lifted my spirits up a bit. It's been this weird vibe, you know, not really fully in it. This is dope. This is dope. 4,000 meters now. It's a lot cooler up here. And the plan is to go to the geysers of Tai, something like that. So I'm going to camp out up here somewhere. Because you got to get up around 6 in the morning to go to the geysers and see them kick off. That's the plan. How's it going? See ya. This is what you want. Whoa! Soft. This is what you want. This is like Mongolia. It's over there, but a bit higher. Come on, help me. Whoa! Very rocky. 4,500 meters, and Alp, she's definitely struggling, but still moving along. 50, 60, maybe 70. Even myself, when I get off the bike, I notice slow down, slow movements. This was the nice thing about San Pedro de Atacama. That's why I was going to hang back a few days here, so I can get more used to the altitude. So once I hit Bolivia, I'm going to be used to it a lot better than if I would have hit it, boom, straight away. So far, I never really struggled with altitude. Definitely feel it. You're tired sooner. If you're really tired, you get into some kind of delirium. That was Bartang Valley in Tajikistan. Absolutely broken that day, but it was the best day of my life. Happy days! So now that I'm looking at it, I think we should go over there.
Oh, but this is fun. This is fun. I told you, you get a bit crazy at altitude. Ah, fuck tourist traps. This is where you want to be. Oh boy, we ain't fucking around anymore with that rear tire, eh? I've been struggling. A lot of rocks. Feel like I'm pushing my luck because we're going a little bit crazy today. Woo. That's freedom. Drink some water. Bit exciting. Should we go there? Good. So many rocks. Don't push your luck. Or is that a drop? You guys tell me. You see, I know muddiness. That's going to be muddiness. It's not where I want to be. I have to get out of here. Well, nobody said it was easy. This is what you get for fucking around. Barely get it in one. Okay, this looks pretty hectic. Now I know I said no more fucking around, but one less time. Ooh-wee. This is the kind of road where I'm too top heavy for to react on time. Standing up. Just feel like I get in a playground today. Oh shit! Look at that. Alright, this looks not as bad as it looks from up there. Yeah, just a little swing around and then around there. Yeah, shouldn't be exerting himself, he says. Hey Alp, how's the view from up there? Okay, this is work. Okay, I'm gonna quit playing around. Almost there, Alp. He's a half decent approach. Panniers, who needs them? Though you would have still been able to pass. I've passed stuff like this before with panniers. Oh, gentle little river. Got to gain a little momentum up that turn. Woo, let's go. Don't drown, Elf. Come on. Not exactly what I wanted to do, but this'll do. Come on. Come on! Oh, that's a big bounce. Stuck. Follow this shit. I'm stretching my legs just by tiptoe down. If I don't sometimes, I'll just fall sideways. Like now. Shit. Feather. Clutch feather. Yeah! Woo! Alright, that was it. No more fucking around. just in case water somewhere decides to go crazy, I'm gonna set up camp up there. Come on, dig, 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 dig. You've been great so far. How about hey? Hi, llamas. Hot take of the day. It's going to get cold tonight. It's 15 degrees now. Definitely should be approaching 0 down here. I'm prepping for that. I think it's one of the highest points where I camped at. Should be interesting because I gotta wake up at 6 in the morning or something like that. Maybe before that. It's now 4 degrees. Got many layers. The zipper on the good side on the inside, the second one broke right on this night, eh? That tent's been used for a long time. It's mostly the ground that's going to get cold. My mat is shit. I'd say it could get -10, but if all goes well, the hardest part will be the morning. I don't know, 0, -5, and find my way in the dark to the geyser. Geyser. How good was today? This is it. Oh. Cozy up in the tent here. It's 13 degrees. It's not too bad in here. Wonder how my night's sleep's going to be. Good night. This isn't working out. Fell asleep for almost an hour and then I just felt like I couldn't keep my double tuna reps down, and then I just stayed nauseous after that. And the headache stayed. But the nauseousness is making me shiver too. Not the cold shivers. I ain't feeling well shivers. I'm packing up the tent and riding down. It's like 1:30. I tried. Just laid awake for 2 hours. Alright, the most fucked up ride ever. I don't know where I left my phone. I think I put it in a different bag. It's in the top case now. Fuck, I'll have to do this blind. There's signs. What's it, bud? Sí, dale. Came down to Machuca. Still, I think it's still barely 4,000 here, but it makes a difference right now.
Hey peoples, if you like the videos, please consider supporting the channel, since it takes considerable time to make these. With your help, I can sit down and consistently make new episodes. Check out the link in the description. Thanks.